Hi everyone, welcome to this class. I'm so excited to take you on this journey where you will learn how to build a profitable importation business. Also, the aim of this training is to reveal to you the exact step-by-step guide you can use to make an extra income online using just your smartphone by leveraging on a profitable business model called importation. But before we dive into what we are here for, let me do a quick introduction. Alright, so my name is Lori Messi. I am a digital marketer and an importer. I've been in this business for over 5 years now, and I have not only made millions of naira from this business, but I've also been able to train over 500 students to replicate the same results. And this is what I will also be teaching you in this webinar. How importation business has helped me move from being a frustrated graduate to earning a huge 6 to 7 figure monthly. Now in this class, you'll be learning what importation is all about, how to get started, and how to make money from this same business. These are some of my student testimonies to show you I'm not here to teach you nonsense, but I'm here to teach you what has helped me and over 500 plus people. So just give me your undivided attention, and I will tell you if you are willing to take action and implement all that is being said, and also be patient enough to stay till the end of this training, you will be getting a special bonus at the end of this video. So quick one, what is importation? Now, importation is the buying of goods at a low or very cheap rate from outside the country to bring them to your own country to resell or make massive profits. And we can also say importation is the process of buying goods from other countries and bringing them into your own country for personal use or for business to make profit. So the next question on your mind is importation business profitable? Yes, you get to buy items at a very cheap cost and also unique products that aren't available locally. The truth is 90% of the things we use in our country is being imported. A lot of people are buying goods from countries like Bangladesh, China, etc. at a very low rate and selling it here at a high price. So the question is, what if you can also learn how to import and do the same? Meanwhile, you don't even need to travel out of the country before you can start. So unique products not available locally. Let's take a look at iPhone. The truth is iPhone are being assembled in China and it is very cheaper, way more than the price they are selling it here in Nigeria. Also, there are so many products that are very scarce to find. You can only import them. So what if you can learn this business and position yourself well? I kid you not when I say there is a lot of money in this business. Now, who can do this business? Anybody can do this business. Whether you are a full housewife, a 9-to-5 worker, a student, a copper, literally anybody can do this business. Now, here are the terms used in importation. Number one, sourcing. And sourcing is the searching of goods or trying to get a good supplier with the best rate. Number two, MOQ. MOQ is the minimum order quantity. It means that every supplier has a minimum quantity of what they sell. Some has 2 MOQ, which means you can't buy less than 2 of that product. So you can either buy 2 and above. Number 3, we have RMB or yuan, which is Chinese currency. Number 4, Taka, which is Bangladesh currency. And number 5, manufacturer. Manufacturer are those that are producing a product. Meanwhile, these people sell mostly in bulks. Number 6, supplier. They are those that are selling a product at a very cheap price but can still sell any quantity for you. Number 7, shipping. Now, shipping is the bringing down of goods from where you buy them from to where you are in. For example, let's say you are buying something in China and you are staying here in Nigeria. So the bringing down of goods from China to Nigeria is what we call shipping. In short, you find products and reliable suppliers. Next, you place order and also make payment. Then you ship your goods to Nigeria and finally resell to eager buyers and enjoy your profit. Let's use this tire inflator as an example. This inflator is 25 yuan from China. To convert it to naira, it will be 25 multiplied by the current rate of yuan. Yuan or RMB is still the same thing. So right now, 1 yuan is 210 naira. So to convert it, it will be 25 multiplied by 210 naira. If you multiply it, it is going to give you 5,250 naira. Now, shipping fee for one of this inflator is 4,210 naira. And if you plug 4,210 naira plus 5,250 naira, which is the shipping cost and the product price, the total cost is 9,460 naira. That is, one inflator from China plus the landing cost is 9,460 naira. And this is the same inflator they are selling here in Nigeria at the rate of 35 to 45,000 naira. So it's even on Jumia at the rate of 49 to 58,000 naira. Let's now imagine if you decide to sell yours at 30,000 naira. That's over 20,000 naira in profit on one inflator. Now, what if you are buying 10? That's over 200,000 naira in profit. Meanwhile, you can import almost anything: fashion items, electronics, accessories, household goods, beauty products, and more. The key is knowing what is in demand and what sells fast. On to the next question on your mind: how much can I start with? Now, you can either start with zero capital and you can also start with capital. And what do I mean by you starting with zero capital? It means that you can leverage on pre-order business. This means that you are helping people that does not know how to buy from other country to buy goods at cheaper rates, and by so doing this, you are adding your own profit to whatever you are helping them to buy from there. So from this, you can also gather your own capital. Number two, you can also leverage on procurement. There are so many importers that they don't know how to buy directly, they don't know how to make payments by themselves, so you can charge them and also help them to buy. Number three, RMB exchange. You can also make money while selling Chinese currency. But if you don't want to start with any of these options, you have your own, let's say you have your own capital, you just want to start with your own money, you can still start with as low as 50,000 naira upward, depending on the products that you want to start selling. Many people believe that they need to have millions before they can start, but the truth is you really don't need millions. You can start with whatever you have now and scale from there. I've also heard people say many times that there is no profit in this business. The truth is people keep importing every day, and if there is no profit in it, people like me and millions of others will not be doing it. Also, there is nothing like custom season goods, because your shipping company will be the one in charge of your goods and also settle custom clearance. You also need to know that there are fake and there are original products, but I'll be teaching you how to differentiate original and fake and how to identify a legit supplier. So I know that the next question on your mind is, Mide, I am ready to start. How do I start? And that brings me to the meal sip course. Now, in this course, you'll be learning the complete training on China importation and Bangladesh importation, how to source for hot products, how to find a trusted suppliers or manufacturers, how to place your order and how to track your goods, how to ship your goods down to whatever country you are in, and how to clear your goods. Also, how you can market and sell your items once it gets to your country, and also how to avoid costly mistakes in importation. You will also be getting bonus on how to start a successful pre-order business, how to generate organic traffic to your business, and where to get customers, and also access to a community of importers. If you could remember at the beginning of this class, I said I'm going to be giving those that stay till the end of this video a bonus offer. And also, to participate in this, you have to be a fast action takers. Now, the meal sip course is 40,000 naira, but for the first 10 people to make payments, they will be getting it at the rate of 20,000 naira. This is nothing even compared to the value that you will be getting in the course. If you are ready to get started and also ready to make payments, type I am ready in my DM. And if you stay till the end of this class, thank you for staying till the end.